all want to make money online, especially Walmart, when it doesn't have that many tools to understand the platform. But there is one tool called Helium 10 that utilizes Cerebro, X-Ray, and other tools so you can see how much competitors are making if they're running Walmart ads and then compete against them directly, right? So this is a great way to see who your top sellers are or who your top competitors are. So if you were selling a Pokemon plush, for example, and you can see the items right here. What you can first do is if you have X-Ray, this is a Helium 10 tool we're going to go over in a second, but you can run this tool. And what it's going to do is actually pull the product data and show you how much money they're making per month because you need to figure out who's your top competitor. Once you find out who your top competitor is, you see what keywords they're using, then you can utilize those keywords for your own Walmart ads or your back-end keywords or in your description, things like that. We've got Charizard. Oh, shoot. Here we go. Charizard. We've got Snorlax. We've got Mew. We've got this Dragonite. And we've got Gengar. Cool stuff, cool stuff, cool stuff. So we're going to go to the right, and it's going to give us a lot of different details. Right off the bat, it's telling us that Charizard's making $700,000 a month. 700 G's, right? Snorlax, Mr. Mr. Sleeper over here, is making $200,000 a month with his sleeper build. This is insane. Can I run it right here? Let's see. I'm going to run it again. Run it and run it. And we got some sleeping Pokemon. Oh, 200,000. Who's buying this one? Whatever. 90,000. 82,000. Poor Squirtle's only making $43,000 a month. But it's just completely insane. And what we could do is we could also see how much, what keywords are they ranking for. So we're going to go and say if we wanted to launch our own Pokemon, maybe our own Snorlax or our own stuffed animal in general, we could see what keywords we want to rank for, especially if it's a cartoon animal. What we're going to do is copy their item ID. Once we copy their item ID, then we're going to go to Helium 10, and then we're going to go to Cerebro. Uncover competitor keywords. Now in Cerebro, you have to do this drop down and go to Walmart. They're going to type in the item ID. Then you're going to click Get Keywords, and then you're going to run a search. Now, the important thing to see is if it has any sponsored keywords. If it has any sponsored keywords, that means it's running Walmart ads. And you have to be aware of that because if you're competing against them, you're going to be competing against their ads. But it's also great to see if they're running ads, you probably should be too. And you can see what keywords they're running ads for. So I'm going to go click sponsored rank and see their number 1 right here. Now we can see what ads they're actually running. So they're running ads for Pokemon plushies, Pokemon stuffed animals, Snorlax, Snorlax plush, Snorlax beanbag, plush Pokemon, Pokemon stuffed animals. So these are the exact keywords they're running Walmart ads with. Super valuable because then you could utilize this tool directly and then run ads towards this as well. If your product is cheaper than theirs and they see your product, they're going to more likely click on yours and then purchase the product, right? And that's going to help you get more sales at the end of the day. Now, there are other tools in here. So you can see the organic rank as well, the top organic rank. So these are the keywords that you can also try to add. Pokemon baby stuff. This is a new term. So I never even thought about that. Pokemon baby toys. So again, this is kind of a niche. Now you can kind of think about different types of products because people are looking at this. When people type in Pokemon baby stuff, looks like Snorlax is coming up number 1. And that's why they're adding that keyword child soft stuffed animal toy to make sure that the parents know this can be used for children, probably not babies, but this is a great and fast way to find your top competitors and find keywords to research. Now, we are Amazon and Walmart experts. If you need help with anything Walmart or just increasing your sales, the links are right in the description to schedule a call or just to email us. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of VHP Consulting Group, signing out.